What's up, traders? It's Trader A. Happy Monday. Time to get back to it. Wow. All I can say about the price action today is just wow. This is basically my screen. We have the opening range here to here. And when I tell you, we pretty much traded within the range the entire day. We dropped out of it a couple of times. See here, here, and here. We dropped out of it. So, but then it was pretty much a slow grind up, pretty much an uptrend. But I mean, it was just very, very choppy. And really, after a certain point, I mean, there were a few good trades within this opening range. For instance, like a bounce off of the opening range. We had that a few times. And that was kind of okay. But to be honest with you, I really didn't have a lot of good setups today. Especially once we got into the lunchtime hour. I mean, it was just really, really, really choppy. Really choppy action. And in one sense, I'm proud of myself because I did not blow my account. I didn't blow my account. I did not go on tilt. But at the same time, I did continue to try and take setups. Setups that were not A setups. They were probably C setups because as choppy as the market was, I kept just waiting for it to break out. But, you know, I'm kind of okay with it. I do still think it's a step towards improvement. It's a step in the right direction because, again, I wasn't on tilt. I think I did remain self-aware about what was going on. It's just that I had a curiosity, even though I knew that, you know what, these are not the best trades. I should probably just stop. Like this would have been a day, whereas if I had another evaluation or something like that, that would have been just better for me to stop and trade that. A couple of times I stopped and I traded SIM. The problem was whenever I was trading SIM, I was winning. So then I go back to trading my account and I wasn't. So anyway, that's kind of like what happened. I'll just show you the account real quick. Okay, yeah, there it is. So anyway, 512. You can recall I was probably up about $1,100 on Friday. So now I'm only up about 500. So you can definitely do the math. That's not good. I had about a $500 loss today. For whatever reason, my GAT wasn't working. And this little situation that I usually use here. Let me just show you this in NinjaTrader. All right, I will come here to go stop trading, but my account was already zeroed out. So I'm not sure what was going on with that. Maybe it's because I didn't restart it. I'm not sure what the deal was, but so the mechanisms that I had in place to kind of help me maintain the loss to a certain place failed. So I'm not sure what happened, but again, I did maintain self-awareness. I just chose to continue to experiment with this. And, you know, that's going to be the issue. It's just, when am I going to say enough is enough? And if I want to be successful, if I want to draw money off these accounts, it may just have to get to the point of, look, you only need to take one trade a day, maybe two, and that's it. Had I taken one or two trades, I probably may have been up $10, but at least I would have been up $1,100 still and not $500. So anyhow, that's pretty much all I have to say. Just a quick update on my fast track trading. I traded that account today also, and that trading wasn't so great either because, you know, same situation. It's just a choppy, not so great market. But at the same time, you know, fast track is supposed to be resetting accounts. So I did notice that 2 of my accounts were not reset. One of them was reset to Sunday's balance and or last Friday's balance. I'm not sure what it was, but one of them was properly reset. But 2 of them were not reset. The 2 accounts that I got this past or last week, they were not reset. So anyway, Fast Track did send out an email saying they were not finished yet. They realized that it wasn't a complete job. They asked us not to send out any tickets. So, I mean, that's just a little update on that in case some of y'all do have Fast Track accounts. So I'm not going to send the ticket. I'm just going to wait and be patient like they asked and see if those other 2 accounts get reset tomorrow. So that's pretty much it. I do have a past evaluation for Apex that I probably will set in a couple of days. And I have 2 Bullinox past evaluations that I need to submit for approval, because with Bullinox you have to submit. It's not an automated process. You do have to submit those evaluations once you feel that you have the profit target and that you have the 5 days. You have to submit it for approval, and then they approve it and send you an invoice. So I haven't done that yet. I wasn't ready to pay for them yet, so I said I'll just wait before I even apply for approval, because you only get about a few days to pay for it. Once they send you the invoice will say that it expires on such and such date. So that's pretty much where I am. So tomorrow, in trying to improve 1% each day, I'm just hoping tomorrow with this account I improve by just maybe taking 1 or 2 setups and just really waiting for the best setup. And that is, we'll see whether or not I accomplish that or not. Whether I just trade less, that would just be it. Just trading less trades. Just stop kind of picking off the account. I just kind of felt like today I just overpicked the account. You know, I'm being cute. I flat out just over traded the account. But I didn't go on tilt, and I maintained self-awareness. So I knew what I was doing. So that's the good part. So I do have to acknowledge the positive, but not neglecting what still needs to be done. So please comment, let me know how your day went. Are you having any similar issues? Do you think, would you be able to just take 1 trade a day on a particular account? Do you think that would be a good idea? Have you had experience with that in the past? Let me know. Peace out.